Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to whiten your teeth in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Now, as you can see, the teeth of the subject is yellowish. Now, to make it white, simply click on the tools at the bottom menu and select the tune image option. Now, increase the brightness according to your preference. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. Now, as you can see, not only the teeth but also the subject skin has been whitened. Now, to further enhance it, simply click here and select the view edit option. Now, click here and choose this option. Now, click on invert and make sure the value of tune image is 0 and select the area that you don't want to get affected by the tune image. And once you're happy with your selection, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can whiten teeth in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.